Elevate your bathroom experience with this electric bidet toilet seat designed for optimal comfort and hygiene. It has a heated seat and built-in warm air dryer for a clean finish. Enjoy 3 oscillating wash modes with adjustable water pressure and temperature. The quiet, soft-close lid adds a touch of luxury, while the easy-to-use remote with haptic feedback makes operation simple. Keep plants hydrated with these plant watering stakes, ideal for plant lovers and travelers. This self-watering system provides consistent moisture while you're away. Simply fill a container with water, insert the stakes, and let them release water as needed. Suitable for various containers and plants, they ensure your plants receive the right amount of hydration without over or under watering. Add ambience to any room with these versatile LED strip lights. Measuring 16.4 feet, they're controlled via an app, allowing you to customize colors and brightness for any mood, even holiday decor. With multicolor display options, they create an eye-catching effect. Sync with music for a unique experience, featuring 11 music modes that bring your space to life. Experience convenient lighting with this smart voice dimmer switch featuring Alexa integration. Its sleek design lets you dim lights through voice control for hands-free convenience. Use the My Leviton app to schedule lights, create custom scenes, and match lighting to your lifestyle. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, it's perfect for seamless smart home control. Grill indoors without smoke using this electric smokeless grill, perfect for year-round cooking. The adjustable temperature knob lets you customize from warm to sear, ideal for veggies, burgers, and more. The non-stick cooking surface is extra large, allowing multiple dishes at once, while the water tray cools grease to reduce smoke. Dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup simple. Enjoy cinematic quality anywhere with this mini projector, designed for portability and ease. It has a fully sealed design with electric focus for quick adjustments and 75% zoom for the perfect screen size. With FHD 1080p support and 8000 lux brightness, the display is vibrant indoors or outdoors. Enhanced with Bluetooth 5.1, it connects seamlessly to speakers for an immersive experience. Streamline meal prep with this electric can opener and knife sharpener, an essential tool in any kitchen. Powered by a robust 60-watt motor, it smoothly opens cans of all sizes with a one-touch operation, making stubborn lids a thing of the past. The removable cutting lever simplifies cleaning, while built-in cord storage keeps your counter neat. With stylish color options, this opener upgrades your decor and is perfect as a gift for new couples. Experience immersive audio with this compact home voice speaker featuring Alexa integration. Engineered for balanced sound, it delivers sharp highs and deep lows, making music effortlessly accessible by voice. Connect through Wi-Fi, AirPlay 2, Spotify Connect, or Bluetooth to stream with ease. Expand to a multi-room setup with Alexa-compatible devices or personalized sound with treble and bass controls. This speaker brings powerful audio right into your space. Simplify lawn care with the Smart Sprinkler Controller, offering automated scheduling and local weather insights. The controller fine-tunes watering based on your yard's needs, conserving water with smart skips for rain, breeze, and wind. Access the user-friendly app to adjust schedules, activate sprinklers, and monitor water use. This high-tech solution makes a greener lawn effortless and eco-friendly. Relish warm, homemade meals on the go with this portable electric lunchbox in a chic moonshine green. Perfect for travel, this 20-ounce food warmer allows spill-free meal storage and heating. Its modern design includes a secure lid and a carrying handle for easy portability. With a dishwasher-safe removable container, cleanup is hassle-free. Enjoy fresh, delicious meals wherever life takes you. Constant clutter in the laundry room? This magnetic bin sticks right to your dryer, giving you a place to toss lint and dryer sheets. If preferred, you can hang it on the wall instead. Made of metal, it stands up well to humid laundry areas. It's also handy for detergent pods or other small items. An easy way to keep your laundry space organized and functional. This sectional sofa adapts to your needs, easily rearranging into U-shapes, L-shapes, or even a bed. Each seat conceals storage for blankets or pillows, keeping things tidy. Made with soft velvet and plush cushions, It's designed for comfort. Assembly is quick and tool-free, so you can enjoy a new layout or added storage without hassle. Keep your workspace tidy with this desk organizer, which provides 5 slots for pens, pencils, and more without taking up much space. It spins for easy access to office supplies, art materials, or makeup brushes. Perfect for the office, bedroom, or bathroom, it adds organization wherever needed. Make finding your essentials a breeze with this versatile organizer.